In this session, we will prepare the different kind of methods. So one method should return to the student details, and another method should return to the multiple student related details. So that kind of program we will implement in this project. So for that, so before starting the new program, whatever I'm having the existing program, let me rename this as a methods revision kind of that. Okay. So let me prepare the new program right now. So I will give the name that is the kind of methods advanced. So in the methods advanced, uh, I wanted to return the student as well as I wanted to return the multiple students list in this program. So for that reason, let me design the student class first step. So let me rename the namespace with the methods advanced kind of that. Let me design the student class. In the student class, I'm having the different properties, that is the name, age, and subject. Now let me take the one more class, that is the student operations kind of that. Now let me prepare the one more class, that is the program, which is followed by the main thread. Okay. So now I would like to return the student details. So for this, let me design the method. That method name, I'm saying that get student. Okay. So this method should return the student, right? So in this case, I'm returning the student. Okay, so like this. Anyway, I let me design with the public with the static. Now this method is expecting the return type is student. So now what I want to do right here, let me take the student here. Student is equal to new student. So here I can prepare the property values here. Okay. So I'm giving the name Peter, age 21, and a subject JavaScript kind of that. That's it. Okay. So in this way, I'm designing the student related details and then return student. That's it. So you have to return this student. Okay, so that I'm returning the student. So here keep in mind return type here student class. Okay, you have to so based on the return type, you have to design the that kind of value in this method. Okay, in case string, you have to design the return type is the string. In case of integer kind of that. That's it. Now let me call the student. So for that, student operations dot get student. That's it. So get student, which is returning to me student return type. So that's reason. Let me design the student here. I'm giving the S1. Okay. So now S1 contain to the all the details about the student. Okay. And then let me print the uh, this student related name, age, and subject. Okay. So in this way we can print. Let me see the output. So here student is Peter 21 and JavaScript. Okay. So come to this method. You can return the student like this also. You can just copy and paste here code, and let me comment at this code. Okay. So we can return the student like this also. Okay. So now I wanted to return the multiple students details. Set of students details kind of that. So in that case, we have to use the student array symbol. Okay. So again, let me copy this code and paste here. So keep in mind, I would like to use the return multiple students details. Okay, so here in this method, first of all, return type should be the multiple student details, right? So for this, I am taking the array symbol first step. Okay, and the method name, I would like to give the get students like this. Okay, so now this get students, which is returning to the multiple students. Okay, I wanted to return the multiple students, right? So I'm giving the new student like this. Okay, so you have to give like this, new student. Okay, so here I'm not returning to the multiple strings or multiple integers. I would like to return to the multiple students. Okay, list of students. So you have to use the syntax like this. Okay, now here I would like to give the multiple students. So new student here, and then you have to follow up like this, new student, let's say uh, name Peter. Anyways, 21 is the his age, and the subject is JavaScript like this, the first student. And the same way, let me design the another students also. Okay, so I am giving the another student Mohan, and 22 age and TypeScript, as well as the Chandra and 23 HTML. Okay, so I'm returning the total 3 students. Okay, so again, let me call this method from the main thread. Here I would like to give the students, student followed by the array, and students is equal student operations dot get students. Okay, so because why I'm giving here, because of which is returning to the multiple students list. Okay, so now again, I am dealing right now list of the students, so that's the reason let me write down the for each loop here. In the for each loop, let me take the student. I'm giving the yes in students. Okay, so I need to loop the each and every student, right, from the students array. So that's the reason I have taken the for each loop. You should use the student here. Okay, now let me print out the each and every student related details under the for each. Okay, for that, let me copy this code anyway, this statement, and paste here. Student is, I am saying the s dot name, and s dot age, and s dot subject, because of I'm taking the variable here, yes. So that's the reason you have to take the s dot name, s dot age, and s dot subject. S, which is nothing but which is taking the each and every value from the students. Now again save, and let me see the output, control F5. Now again you see that student all the details. Now I wanted to prepare the one more method, I wanted to update the student. Okay, so for that, again let me copy this code and paste here. So now I'm telling the update student. Okay, so this parameter is expecting the this method is expecting the I wanted to give the one parameter, like that is the student. Okay, so student like this, let me give the student kind of that stu I'm giving here. And then let me remove this commented code. Okay, let me comment this code as of now here. Now I would like to give the stu student dot subject, okay, is equal uh, stu dot subject plus let's say some kind of advanced. Okay, what I mean that here, whatever I'm getting the input parameter, okay, of this update student, that input parameter I'm trying to update. Okay, anyway, student is having the subject, right, that subject I'm trying to update with the advanced text. That's it only. Okay, so after that I'm returning the stu. So because this method is expecting the return type, that is student, so now I'm returning the stu. Okay, so keep in mind, whatever I'm getting the input parameter student, that is here, I'm trying to update the subject, and then I'm giving the place advanced. Okay, so whatever I'm getting that, I'm trying to assign the same subject, I'm updating the value, and then I'm returning the stu value. That's it. So now coming back to the main thread again, coming to here, let me call the updated student. So for that, stu operations dot update student. Now here, anyway, student related details I have to pass, right? So I am having the S1, right? So here S1 already I'm having. So I would like to pass the S1 over here. Okay, so update student anyway, which is expecting the student details, right? So now for that reason, I am passing the S1 here. That's it. Okay. So update student, which is also it is returning to the student return type. Okay. So now I'm taking the student here. I'm giving the updated student details like this. Now I've been giving the statement console.writeLine updated student details like this. So I'm printing the value like updated student, and then printing the each and every value, name, age, and subject. So keep in mind what will be the value of the subject. Okay, so now control F5 again. You see here subject, I'm whatever I have updated, that updated value having the advanced. Okay, the same way, I would like to update the all the student related subjects. Okay, so for that, let me copy this code and paste here. Okay, the first step, let me remove this comment. Okay, so again, I'm giving the return type, that is array symbol. Okay, here also I would like to take the array because I wanted to pass the multiple students. So in this method I'm giving the updated update students something. Okay, and here students list kind of that. Okay, I'm giving the parameter name students list. Let me remove the code inside of the method. So I'm taking the first step. Let me take the for each loop. Okay, so here let me take the student in students list, because of students list having the all the details. Okay, which is I'm getting from the parameter this data. Now student dot subject plus I'm updating like this advanced. Okay, so whatever I'm getting the value, so same value I'm getting assigned to the student with the subject. That's it. Okay, then return the students list, right? So I'm looping the each and every student. In the looping block, I'm updating the subject, then I'm assigning the whatever the updated value to the student subject only, then I'm returning the students list in this method. Now let me call the update students from the main thread. So student operations dot update students. Okay, and then I need the students list, right? So anyway, I have designed the students here, right? Anyway, I'm having the students list here. Let me copy and paste here. So in this method, I am passing the students. Now this update students anyway, which is returning to the students array, right? So now students, you can give like this students. Uh, I'm saying the one is equal to, okay, and then let me process the each and every student. I wanted to print the each and every student related updated values. So I need to take the for each loop. Anyway, I'm already have the some code here. Just copy and paste here. I'm not saying the students. I would say the students one, because of I'm handling the students one, so you have to use the students one here. Okay, so now I would like to give the updated student kind of that. Okay, so now if you see the output, so now you can see the updated student related detail. Okay, so in this way you can prepare the methods uh, for returning to the either student or students. In the next session, what we can do, right, whatever we have prepared the method, the way how we are going to prepare the method, that method we can design in the shortcut key by using the arrow symbol. So we will see that. Okay, so we will prepare that method into the next video.